Baby.
Monster.
Baby.
Monster. Baby.
Monster.
Baby. Monster. Baby.
Monster.
Saan ako? Dito ako? Tapos, ganyan. Okay lang ba? Nakatingin ako? Okay.
Shit, lumapit siya.
Baby.
Monster.
Monster.
Baby.
Monster. Baby. Monster. Baby. Monster.
Baby. Baby. Monster. Baby.
Balik na rin.
Baby.
Admin talaga.
Mali siya.
Okay, monster. Baby.
Monster.
Baby.
Monster. Baby. Monster. Baby.
Monster. Baby. Monster.
Monster. Baby. Monster. Baby.
Monster.
Ha? Teka, naka-video. Tinignan ko ba?
Sige, nagip ka lang.
Thank you. Congratulations, Sal. We can take your prize with you.
Are you ready for the next game?
Yes.
Group yourselves into 6. Group yourselves into 5. Ano yung Baby Monster song?
Dito lang yan.
Kasi yung sa dance baka hindi ko i-post. At least may content na. Okay ba?
Kita-kita pala ako dyan lumangon, te. Dance class pala to. Akala ko magja-jogging tayo.
Ay, grabe.
Hey! Hey! Kita ka dyan. Fit check. Pagod na siya agad.
Yes.
Ubus na yung social battery.
Ako yung maka-electric fan mamaya.
Picture lang tayo.
And I will be your host for tonight. I am Isa. Pero yeah, we've got a jam-packed, super fun night ahead. Ready na ba kayo mag-start? Are you ready?
Hey, Monsi!
Actually, the first and only market in Southeast Asia that will have an exclusive community dance class.
Nakaka-pressure.
We wanted talaga to teach you the dance.
Baby Monster photo part. Very good class. Wala na yung marshmallow flavor. Okay, masarap na. Masarap na. 5, 6, 7 seconds. Good. Back to center. Good job. Sorry. And next. Go. Yeah. Sorry. Before we go to switch, enhance that in
here. Right arm will reach forward. Yeah, reach forward para baka. Up, down, reach. Up, down. Good. Go. 7, and then point up, down. 3, 4, reach, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 and up, down, ha, ha, let go! How do you convince everyone that you are the best dancer? Do you think Choma is the best dancer? Your host for today's K-pop adventure.
For the launch of Oreo Baby Monsters, and especially to all those who have been supporting us since day 1, since October 1. Yes, sir. And papunta pa na tayo sa exciting part. Ready na ba kayo to know what prizes are in store?
Yeah!
Yes, hello everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Dasuri Choi. Thank you to Oreo for inviting me to this very, very fun K-pop collab. Depende sa kanta kasi kung sino yung magiging bias. Yes, ko yun.
Agree!
Diba? Pero yung sa bago nila, oo, room ka.